Are you imagining generating viral content, product mockups, and ad creatives without hiring a single designer? It sounds too good to be true. Well, that's exactly what Pikzels promises, but is it just another AI gimmick or a real tool worth your time? Let's find out. Pikzels is a free AI-powered design tool made to help you create professional-level visuals, ads, product photos, and more in just a few clicks, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a full-fledged brand. This tool packs some serious punch, and today I'll walk you through its key features, real user feedback, how to use it, and whether it deserves a spot in your creative toolbox. But before we dive in, let's see what the internet says. Pikzels currently holds a solid rating on Trustpilot with 4.8 stars, with users currently praising its speed, quality, and free access. Some even call it a Canva alternative for AI designs. But a few noted occasional glitches with image generation, so let's test it out ourselves. So let's discuss the core features of Pikzels. Let's start with the most powerful feature of Pikzels, that is AI YouTube thumbnail generator, and this is where the magic really begins. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a dark, futuristic interface with a get started prompt. Right there, you can type in a creative thumbnail concept and Pikzels will generate it visually for you instantly. Let's take an example from what you're seeing here. A skeleton holding a smartphone, a melting brain, gripping green slime, and the bold text brain rot in a neon glitchy style. This is perfect for a reaction video, commentary on social media addiction, or a brain melting conspiracy topic. Once you hit the generate button, Pikzels will use its AI engine to craft a high contrast, visually bold thumbnail, complete with text effects, composition, and style that actually look YouTube ready. You can further customize it by switching personas to match different creator styles, changing styles to shift between realistic, comic, or abstract aesthetics. So that's the power of Pikzels. It turns a single sentence into a thumbnail you could confidently publish within minutes. All right, that wraps up feature 1. Now let's move on to something equally exciting. So feature 2 is recreating any thumbnail using AI. So have you ever looked at a Mr. Beast thumbnail and thought, wow, I wish I could make something like that? Well, with Pikzels Recreate feature, now you actually can. Without needing Photoshop, a design degree, or even starting from scratch, here's how it works. In the interface shown here, just switch from thumbnail to recreate at the top. Now you have two options: paste a link to a YouTube video or thumbnail you want to model, or upload an image like a Mr. Beast style thumbnail with bold facial expressions, huge cache, or dramatic reactions. Let's say we upload a Mr. Beast thumbnail. So Pikzels will analyze the visual structure, fonts, lighting, and composition, and then recreate it with your own content or edits. You can add your own image or face, change the object, customize text or prompts right in the edit section below. And just like that, you get a Mr. Beast style thumbnail tailored to your video topic in seconds. So this is game changing for creators who want high performing thumbnails without copying, but still staying in the style of what works. All right, that's feature 2. Now let's take a look at one more AI-powered feature that will level up your branding. The third powerful feature built into Pikzels is the AI title generator, and it's a hidden gem for creators who struggle to come up with attention-grabbing video titles. Let's say you have already made a great thumbnail, but now you need a click-worthy title that matches the energy of your visual. That's where the title tab comes in. So here's how it works. Click the title tab at the bottom next to face swap and recreate. Enter a short description of your video, for example, giving away $10,000 in a haunted house, or AI tools replacing creative jobs. Hit generate and Pikzels will instantly provide multiple optimized YouTube title ideas with emotional triggers, urgency, or curiosity built in. Some example outputs for a Mr. Beast style video might be, he had 60 seconds to spend $10,000. What happened inside the abandoned mansion will shock you. AI just took my job. Here's what happened. These titles are designed to drive clicks, engage curiosity, and match the tone of your thumbnail without needing to brainstorm for hours. So if you ever feel stuck writing titles, Pikzels take care of that too in just one click. So now the question is, who exactly is Pikzels for? So if you're an influencer, e-commerce seller, startup founder, or even a freelance designer, this tool helps speed up your workflow and produce visuals that actually convert. Especially, it is great for people with zero design experience. As much as I like Pikzels, a few things could be better in it because no tool is perfect. So the first is the AI image quality occasionally drops with complex backgrounds. There is no mobile application yet. And while the tool is mostly free, some templates are locked behind credits. If you're planning to share Pikzels, there's good news that they offer an affiliate program so you can earn 33% commission by referring others. And as for developers, currently there is no public API key, but that could change as the platform evolves. So is Pikzels worth your time? It's fast, beginner-friendly, packed with free features. While it's not perfect, it's a strong choice for creators who want quality visuals without the hassle or the cost. So if you want to try Pikzels yourself, check the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know which AI tool you want me to review next. See you in the next video.